all I'm trying to do is just get a fucking sandwich from this, and the machine's just going all weird. It keeps moving all the things around on its own. Is it still going? Still going. Right, stopped. Oh, great! Look at that. Hang on. No, lights come back up. Okay, hopefully it's not going to spoil them. Oh, you wanker! Look at that! Look at that! Just as... Look, and then it does its whole thing again. Look at that. It just swallowed my money. Look at that fail. Did you see that fail? It's like he's trying to put me on a diet or something, you know? Look at that! How much did you pay? £1.50. Well, it's probably not one machine. I don't know if they can do it instead. There we go again. Yeah, it probably will. I could try. Yeah, look, it's going to do it again. Be lucky if I get anything. Is this still your money? Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Give me. Yeah. Doesn't like making money. What's a wanker? What's a fucking wanker? I'd be happy if I just get anything out of the machine at this point now. I want to split the size of an ice cream cone. I want it now. I want to smoke all the marijuana fields in the world now. And after that, I'm going to do some mixing and my ice cream. Okay, just try and take that one. I wanted the cheese and pickle, but I don't care. I will take the tuna fish at this stage. Look, the lights come back on. Come on. And it's shortchanged me by about no, actually no, it hasn't. It's actually credited me money. It's actually credited me by 5p. Oh well, fuck it, leave it at that.